everyone, one of my favorite meals ever is definitely the poke bowl because I love using whatever veggies I have to create this yummy rainbow colored bowl. So today I want to share with you my recipe for this high protein vegan poke bowl. Let's start. So start by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa and 1 cup of basmati rice. I like adding this quinoa, this mix, because it adds nutrition and protein. So then we go on over medium heat in a pan. We add a bit of avocado oil and the rice and quinoa. We toss around, and then we add a cube of A.Vogel vegetable broth to 2 cups of water. Mix around. Once it boils, put it on simmer and let it cook for 17 minutes. Then I'm chopping up the veggies that I'm using in the bowl. So I have red cabbage, carrots, cucumbers, green shallots, avocado, and edamame today. And then I'm also adding some smoked tofu that I'm cutting up into cubes and going to cook in the pan with avocado oil once again, and just a bit of spicy Herbamare sea salt mix. I love this this mix on the tofu. Then for the sauce that goes on the bowl, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of tahini, a little piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of miso, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a cup of water, the juice of half a lemon, and that's pretty much it. You mix that, and then that's going to give you a creamy, super tasty sauce to put over your bowl. And then you're ready to assemble. So basically, you just put your rice on the bottom of your bowl, and you add all the other fresh fruit, veggies all around, and your tofu, edamame, all that good stuff. And I'm also adding a little bit more of the Herbamare spicy sea salt mix on top. And finally just topping it all up with the creamy sauce.